Yeah guys, so this is Max Trader here. I think this will be my first video and I just want to take you through how you could have traded CPI this Friday. Yeah, so we're looking at US 30. Now you know that US 30 is controlled by the US economy and you will only be trading US 30 in the New York session. That is when the New York Stock Exchange is opened and you have a lot of volatility in the market. So technically, how do you analyze this? Let me quickly learn my chart so that first of all, you go to the higher time frame. Any analysis you have to do has to be done in the higher time frame. Because it's assumed that's where the big money is, the big players are. Those who have invested for months, they have the huge money to move the market. Yeah, so quickly you zoom out to see how the structure looks like. You know that always and always the trend is your friend. After this major change of structure here, there has been a series of uptrend change of structure up to the upside down, right? So you realize that from this uptrend there had been an immediate change of structure to the downside here. It would have confirmed sells from some people. I realized that when it came here, it overpowered the sells. The buyers overpowered the sells, and now there was another change of structure here. So let's go to the 4 hours. When we get to the 4 hours, you can see the uptrend more better. This was, I think here was Monday. Let's put the line there. Monday was here. Monday was here. Okay. Yeah, so it means that if you are in the uptrend and this market came and take the high here, we're looking for buys. If you're looking for buys, you'll be looking at, you will use different strategies to look for the buys. I use is it demand and supply? Yes, or blocks. So if you are looking for buy, you look for buy blocks. You go to the higher time frame and look for the blocks that you want to use. Now how I choose my block may be different from how you may choose your block. Everybody has criteria for choosing their block. Mine is different and mine is very, very personal to me. And if you want to know, kindly comment and also your engagement with this video will let me know whether to open up more to you or not. So quickly, I will choose this block in the higher time frame. Here, this block. This is a block I'll choose. There are criteria for me to choose this block. Now, when you choose this block, you don't do anything until market comes to the block for you to confirm. And what do you look for? What I look for is a change of structure. A very, very, very perfect change of structure. That will cause another block in the lower time frame for you to take. So you look for the change of structure in the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Now you also realize that the market was able to take this low as well. Took this low and went ahead and also take this low as well. So realize that it's mostly the buyers who are in control here. So you look for blocks in either the 4-hour, daily, 30 minutes or 1 hour. Always your block should be in the higher time frame and you look for confirmation, which is a change of structure on it. So from here, when you come to the 1 hour, realize that you have a 1 hour block here that took this high off. This block that we are talking about, this one, before the 4 hour. This is the 1 hour block, this is the 4 hour block. So market came to the 1 hour block, I think on Tuesday. So when you get to Tuesday, you go to the lower time frame. So as we are in the 1 hour, we can go to the 5 minutes to look for a change of structure on that particular block. Let me change this one to what? Green for you so that you can see it perfectly. When the market came there, you realize that it gave you a change of structure here. Give you a change of structure. As soon as the change of structure comes, you are buying from the opposite demand block that has been created here. There's a you buy from here. So this is your first entry to buy from the 1 hour block that I showed you. Yeah. And this is I think this is in the New York, the London session, which was 10:30 GMT. So when the market came to this 1 hour block, it also in the New York section came and took the Asian high. This black box is the Asian high, the Asian range. It took the Asian range of confirming buys for you to buy to the upside. If you know the story of the market, every small details become very, very, very meaningful to you. So here, the market took the Asian high. Now you will also be buying from what? The absolute block that took the Asian high. So here will be your entry with your stops below the low, targeting always 1:5 IRR. The market can go more than 5 IRR because that's the direction of the market. But to be safer, you choose 1:5 IRR. Mostly, or extend to what 1:6. But mostly, I choose 1:5. 1:5, and I'm done. Yes. So this is how you would have traded the US 30 on Monday. So quickly, I think Thursday was this Thursday, the market came to the 4-hour block that I chose. This block. It came on there on what, Thursday. So you go to the lower time frame, which is a 15 minutes. That's where mostly the entry model is. So let's look at how the market came. It came like this. It came 1, 2, 3. Then it broke the absolute high. It broke the high. The market took the absolute high for you, confirming that, yeah, it took the Asian high also for you, confirming that, yeah, my guy, it is ready to buy. So all you do is that you find the block in the lower time frame that took what? That changed the chain of structure. So here you enter straight, putting your stop at the low, again targeting what? 1:5 RR. Now this trade includes the CPI. But let's look at how you could have traded if you didn't see this entry. Let's see how you could have entered the market on Friday, this day. Every time you go to the high time frame. So here, Friday, there was an absolute change of structure here. Already you know that everything is a buy. So there was a change of structure here. So what you are supposed to do is to find the blocks that the market might buy from. So this is one, the absolute one. This is one. This is one. And this is the second one here. There's one. Again, if you want to know how I choose this block, and I think most of you are very smart traders, you know why I'm choosing this block already. So here, as soon as you choose a block, you weight your hands. So in the New York section, in the London section, the market came to what? The first point of interest, the POI. So you go to the 5 minutes and look for a change of what structure again. So here, the market came like this. Those of you who don't know market structure, go and learn it. It came like the here, 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 here. Then it changed. It reacted to this block, then broke it like this. As soon as it reacted to this block and broke it, you are buying from the flip zone. We call it flip zone. You are buying from here. You take what? The markets. You take your entry from here and you enter into the market before even the news will come. So even before the news will come, you are break even here. You move your stops to the break even and be at peace. You see, then you target what? 1:5. That is how you could have easily traded CPI. And I share this trade on my TikTok. If you want to know my TikTok, you can search Max Trader on TikTok and you'll find me. I mostly post some of the trade there. I'm here to create a Telegram channel to put live trade there as well. So there you have it. This is how to trade CPI. If you want this content more and more and more and more, then you have to really engage with it. Encourage me to bring more. And I think that's it. Max Trader here. Peace. We'll meet again. And please comment, subscribe, like, and share. Because my guy, forex is not easy, so we have to help each other.